Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Why do you pay a significant amount of money for a name brand computer when you can customize and build your own computer with a reasonable price? Today I'm going to show you how to build your own computer and what component does your computer need. The general requirements for this type of computers are Intel processor, 2 GB of RAM, 40 or 60 GB for hard disk drive, 300 watt power supply. The approximate budget for this type of computer is $600 or less. Before you start building your computer, you should know the necessary part and the unnecessary parts of the computer. The necessary part is the case, the motherboard, the processor, the memory, the power supply, the hard drive, and finally the fan. And for sure, we need an operating system for the computer, and I prefer to use Windows Vista. The unnecessary parts are a video card if you play heavy video games on your computer, or sound card if you want a high quality surrounded sound. After making a list of the parts, you will ask yourself where to buy them. I recommend buying them from egg.com because they have the best prices, and above all they have an excellent customer service and very fast shipping times. Now before you start the processing of building the computer, you need to select a proper place for your project, and as you can see, you need a space to lay out all of your parts, and you need a good lighting so you can see what you are doing inside the case. Now let's get started. The first thing is you should do is to open the case and take a look inside it. And the first part you should install is the motherboard. In my case, the motherboard is already installed, so I'll just screw the. Make sure you screw it tightly. Now let's go to the next step, which is installing the power supply. Before you start it, make sure it is 115 right here, 115 volt. It's for the American systems. After we install the power supply, we need to install the fan right here. You just slot it right here. Then here is the memory. You slot it in its place right here. I'm having some problem. Slot the RAMs in its place and make sure you place it correctly. Then you need to connect the cables, but each motherboard has different shape, so read your motherboard manual to know how to attach the wires on its correct place. After connecting the wires, do a quick power up test to make sure that the fan and the other stuff are working properly. And then we still have to connect the CD drive and the hard disk drive right here. My CD drive is already installed right here, so I just need to install the hard drive in its place right here. And this is the cable, goes here. By now your computer is ready to run. You just need to insert the Windows operating system install disk inside the DVD drive and follow the instructions that will be shown on the screen. I hope you enjoy my video, and thank you.